Hello there, alright.
Is it Michael?
Don't mind if I film you there.
No.
I don't know, anyway, is it?
Is it Michael?
It is, yeah.
Okay. We've got something to issue you.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Do you want us to do it here or do you want us to do it inside?
I don't know what you mean, issue me.
So basically, we've had a call from Thames Valley Police.
Oh, right.
So a different police force to us. To say that you've sent a letter to someone on the BBC.
That's right, yeah, we've been corresponding for quite a while, yeah.
Oh, right, okay. So basically, they've asked us to issue you the harassment warning.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah? So do you want us to do it here or do you want us to come in?
Fine.
Here? Okay. So basically, it's for you. Your name and address is on there and your date of birth. You sent a letter to Pippa Doubtfire, which has been hand-delivered either by yourself or a third party. This letter is unwanted outside of the official channels of the BBC and has caused Mrs Doubtfire distress.
Oh, right.
This conduct is contrary to protection from harassment.
She's never said that before to me.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. So basically, this is a harassment warning.
Yeah.
Okay, which means the police have received an allegation of harassment against you.
I haven't harassed
Harassment
her,
is
though.
any behaviour on at least two occasions which causes alarm or distress.
At least,
to somebody else.
sorry.
Harassment is any behaviour on at least 2 occasions.
I haven't been there, twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
At this stage, the police are not commenting on the truth of the allegation. Instead, this notice is being given to you in spirit of crime prevention.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
And to make you aware that if any kind of behaviour described were to continue, then you'd be liable to arrest and prosecution. You should be aware that if further such behaviour resulted in prosecution, then the behaviour complained of above could be referred to or relied upon in any subsequent proceedings. This notice is neither a court order nor a criminal record, but will be kept by the police for the purpose of any future investigations and retained in accordance with national guidelines on the management of police information.
So on the basis of one letter, there's classing it as harassment? That doesn't...
Basically, it's not come from Essex Police, it's Thames Valley Police have received the information and they've asked us to issue it on their behalf.
But it does say two or more, yeah?
So on here it does, yeah. So I don't, at the moment...
I mean, I do know a little bit about
so I don't know
harassment
whether you've
and stuff.
Because she said that the contact's unwanted, we've just come
Yeah,
here
but she's
today.
never told me that.
We're here obviously just to tell you that it's unwanted.
But if I could write to her and say, like, why didn't you
but
say it before? No?
Don't write, because obviously that's the allegation that is causing her harassment. So this is just us giving you a
So
warning.
could I do the same thing then?
Just to say, not to contact
her agents have been here a few times. And I've said, you're harassing me and you're causing me concern and distress. I've said that to her.
Right. Yeah, it's because obviously she's made the complaint, so we're just giving you a warning.
Right, no, but I'm just a bit
stop
confused.
from
It seems
there,
a bit
okay?
one-sided at the minute. Because this has been going on for quite a while.
Like we said, we're not commenting on it.
Yeah,
That's
but
the
if I can
allegation
just
that-
tell you, so you know the other side of it, yeah? She works for the BBC, yeah, but she works from home. So when I phone up, they say, oh, she's working from home. So there's no other way of getting in touch with her. But if she's saying that, that's fine.
If you're-
That is,
Yeah.
yeah. So if she's saying, like,
Yeah,
that
so
she
this
doesn't
is
want the
just
car...
us to tell you just to not contact her, because it's obviously she doesn't want it anymore, okay? And then it will just leave it at that, alright?
Right, if you can just sign there then to say you understand. So underneath again it says this is not an admission or acceptance of
No,
the
I
allegation.
can't, I'm
You are
not going to
signing
sign
acknowledge-
anything without legal advice, if that's
Okay.
alright. Is that alright?
You don't have to sign it, but this has been issued to you,
Okay,
okay?
then, yeah, I'll take
which,
that.
Which basically means that if you contact her any further, then you could be arrested.
I was going to go tomorrow.
All right.
That's strange.
Yeah, no, don't go tomorrow.
Because she never said it caused her distress at the time.
Right, okay.
Strange, isn't
Obviously,
it?
we're just here issuing that now to say it has, so just
Are
don't-
you recording me at the
don't,
moment?
I'm not, no.
No, okay.
So just
I
don't
just
contact
don't
any
mind
further,
if you do.
okay?
Yeah. So other than that, you have no more contact
So what
with her.
about,
This has been issued to you now.
yeah,
So,
so
that'll
this
go
is
on
a
the
criminal
system.
thing,
No,
yeah?
No, like I said, when I read that out to you, it's not. It's not.
No, it's a criminal, is it a criminal offence?
Harassment is a criminal offence.
Why didn't she say just to me to withdraw my rights of access under English common law? Why didn't she say, I don't want you to knock on my door anymore? Because I said that in the letter. I said, if you say to me, you don't want me to come here anymore, I won't come here no more.
She's obviously not wanted to do that, and she's gone down the police route. So this has been issued today.
Yeah,
This
no,
time,
I know
alright?
what you're
So
trying
any
to do,
further
your
contact,
job, yeah, but I'm
means
trying
that
to get my
you
head
could get
round
arrested.
why it's happened all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Because it's been going on we've been corresponding for quite a while.
Right. But obviously it's just us saying today not to contact her any further.
What do you mean contact? Even write to her?
Yeah, don't.
But I've got to though, because we've got
don't.
an unresolved issue.
Well then you'll have to contact someone else. Do not contact her, because you're going to end up getting yourself in trouble. That's why I've issued this, to stop.
Yeah, I mean, I know you're being fair, and I'm I'm confused because there is like an issue, obviously, between us. That's why I'm corresponding with her.
Yeah, but
So my issue's
She
unresolved.
doesn't-
My
she
issue's
doesn't want the
unresolved.
correspondence.
You need to go about it a different way then. I don't know what your issue is with her, but you need to...
I
go
mean,
down a
it's not
different
serious.
route
I'm not a
with it.
nutcase or anything like that. I'm
listen-
61 years old. I'm
If
not
there's
violent.
someone
I've
else
got
that
no
you can go
record.
by and resolve it that way.
Yeah.
Because obviously she's made a complaint that she doesn't want any contact from you. So
And who's this again?
if you
Pippa
send-
Doubtfire.
Yeah.
Pippa Doubtfire.
So you cannot send any more letters
BBC.
to her because it will end up getting you in trouble.
Yeah.
So that's why we're just here today.
So as of this
just-
point, you don't
So-
contact you.
yeah.
It means you don't contact
So,
her by letter, go
I
to her
mean,
address or anything
she's
like that. You have
supposed
no
to be
further
replying
contact.
to me. Is she going to reply to me? Or?
If she's
Because
reporting
it's
to
not
the
really
police,
fair.
much
It's not
doubt.
really fair if she's going to
Yeah,
leave it all
I
up in
doubt
the air, is
yeah,
it?
But you're going to have to resolve it some other way because it's just going to get you in trouble, okay?
Yeah.
So from this point forward, don't
No
write any
contact
letters,
at all.
Don't
What-
visit her address, nothing.
No?
No.
Okay then.
Okay.
It gives me a little bit of a problem because I do have to resolve the
You need to
issue
speak
that
to
I've
somebody
got.
else then.
Yeah. Do you know who that would be at all?
No, I don't even know who this person is. She works for the BBC, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Yeah, she does. Yeah.
I don't know who she is.
You'll just have to find out by other means, okay? But don't contact
But
her.
if you contact her again and then she reports it to Thames Valley Police, then it could mean that they come and arrest you for it.
Right.
Alright?
Okay then.
Okay.
So can anyone do this to anyone? Like if people come to my door, could I do the same thing?
So yeah, if there's
No, I'm not being flippant. There's been a couple of instances where BBC staff have come here and harassed me for other things, but I'm a bit shocked really that she's jumped the gun, I think, because I've let them come here. I've withdrawn their rights of access 3 times. And I've asked them, I said, you're causing me distress, please don't come here. But they keep sending people here. And that's the issue I want to try and resolve.
why have you got...
Well, I
issues
don't
with the
really,
BBC?
like you're saying, you don't want to discuss it. I don't really want to
Alright,
discuss
okay.
it, yeah.
Well, that's issued now, alright? So from
Yeah.
now, from 10:39 or today's date, don't have any more contact with Pippa. Otherwise, you could be liable to arrest. Alright?
I appreciate that.
We're going to take this
Oh, right.
because we have to.
Oh,
send it
don't
back. We
put
have to send-
refuse, because I haven't refused. I've declined to sign it.
Yeah, refuse to sign.
Not refuse, no.
It's-
Decline.
Okay, we put refuse to sign because you've said you don't want to
Because
sign.
that sounds a bit worse, is it? You're going to make it worse for
It
me,
means
yeah?
the same thing. Decline to sign, refuse to sign. Just means you
Why
don't want to sign
didn't you
it.
put decline then? Is this to make me look worse?
No,
Are
no,
you on her
that's what-
side
that's what
at
we
the
put.
No,
minute then?
that's what we put.
So I get a bit...
Refuse to
Look.
sign.
My hands are shaking there.
Yeah, but no,
Because
that's
I
what we
wasn't
put.
expecting
She
none
has
of
to-
this, yeah.
But that's fine, okay? So it's been issued.
Could I
We'll-
put decline to sign on it?
It's fine. It means
it's
exactly
fine.
the same thing. It just
Go
means
now.
that you don't want to
Because
sign it.
I'm cooperating with you. I'm
Yeah.
not refusing. I'm not being
Yeah, that's fine.
awkward.
That's
yeah?
fine. We'll send it back to Thames Valley and we'll say it's been issued. All right.
All right then. All right. Thanks a lot.